Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the next question. Okay, so this question belongs to GATE CSC 2013. The given question is consider an undirected random graph with 8 vertices. Okay, so the count of vertices is 8. Okay, so the probability that there is an edge between a pair of vertices is 1 by 2. Okay, so the probability of an edge between I and j is equals to 1 by 2. So this is what is given in the question, right? Yes. Okay, so now they are asking is what is the expected number of unordered cycles of length 3? Okay, so we are interested in an unordered cycle of length 3, right? Yes. So okay, so we are checking with respect to 3 vertices, right? Okay, yes. So first of all, let us start analyzing the thing, guys. So basically, if we are having, how many vertices we are having, guys? We are having a total of 8 vertices, right? Yes. So if we are having 8 vertices, and let us assume it as a complete graph, because we want the maximum, right? Yes. So whenever we want it, so let us consider this graph, 8 vertices graph as a complete graph. So if it is a complete graph, what is the formula to find the number of edges, guys? It is nothing but n into n minus 1 by 2, right? Yes. So that is nothing but 8 into 7 by 2. That is nothing but, okay, so it is a 28 edges we are going to have. Okay, is it correct or did I do any mistake, guys? Okay, so if we are having a 28 edges, how many different 3 length cycles are possible, guys? So even for calculating that part, I think there is no need of calculating these edges, right? Yes. So the thing is, it is all with respect to those vertices, right? So if there are 4 vertices, so one graph could be in this way, one graph could be in this way, one graph could be in this way, and one graph could be in this way. So a total of 4 different things will be possible, right? So let me count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Yes. Or am I doing any mistake here? So let me draw it, guys. 1, okay, 2, okay, 3, okay, 4, okay. Okay, so if there are 4 vertices, the number of different cycles possible are 4, right? Yes. So with this understanding, I think a few students are already getting some idea, right? Yes. So basically, if there are 4 different vertices, and among those 4 vertices, we need to select any 3 vertices, right? So the combination could be in this way, or any order it might be, right? Yes. So it is nothing but the combinatrix, right? So among those 4, I need to select 3. In the same way, among this 8, I need to select 3. So what will be the result, guys? It is nothing but 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 divided by 3 factorial into 5 factorial. So 5 factorial means this whole part will be gone. Similarly, 3 factorial is nothing but 6. So the final result will be nothing but 56, right? Yes. So a total of how many are possible, guys? 56 cycles are possible. Okay, but there is a small twist in this question. So the twist here is instead of having those edges compulsorily, they gave that the probability of them is 1 by 2. Okay, so if we want to find how many exact cycles are possible, so the first thing is we need to have one vertex, second vertex, and third vertex. So these 3 guys should be connected. So for each of them to be connected, it is 1 by 2, right? The probability. Okay, and a maximum of 56 is possible. So multiply them. It is nothing but 1 by 8 into 56, and it is a 7. So the answer is 7. So C is the correct answer. It's a really an interesting question, right? So it's a combination of probability as well as the graph theory concepts. Okay, yes. So now I hope everyone got some basic idea, right? Yes. Okay, so I hope everyone got a clear idea with respect to this question. So in the next lecture, and there is one more funny thing is, how can the count be 1 by 8, guys? It's not probability, right? You can directly eliminate this option. Okay, yes. So I hope everyone got a clear idea with respect to this question. So in the next lecture, let us continue with the next question. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.